Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, as you guys can see, an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you how to go from no eyebrows, like me. Well, I don't have no eyebrows, but I don't have a lot, to a full thick brow. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is get a clear gel that's for your eyebrows, and just go ahead and brush your brows up with that spoolie on the brush, and like I'm doing here. I like that whole natural look, so I've been doing this step that just makes my eyebrows look more natural. Also, this is a good step if you have curly eyebrows like I do that are untamed. So on to the actual tutorial. I start at the end of my eyebrows and I start with a dark pencil. This is the FENTY eyebrow pencil, and it's in the color deep or black. It's the darkest color they have. That's what I like to use on the end. And so I start at the end and I start doing soft brush strokes to the end to give me a little like tail at the end, and then I like I'm doing here, I'm doing soft brush strokes up so I can mimic the hair-like strokes of my natural eyebrows. You do not want to draw on, quote unquote, your eyebrows. You want to fill them in. So that's why I'm not just like going all harsh and going all hard. I'm doing it very slowly and very softly, because you want the eyebrows to look like they're your real eyebrows. You don't want that blocky look. And then now, once I'm like 3/4 of the way, I switched to a dark brown eyebrow pencil, and that's what I use to fill in my eyebrows at the beginning, or 1/4 of the way of my eyebrows, because I like my eyebrows to get darker as you go to the end and kind of lighter at the front. I like an ombre eyebrow, so this is why I do that. So this is a better look at what I do at the beginning of my eyebrows. I will do brush-like strokes or hair-like strokes at the beginning by going up. And like as you can see, I'm doing this very softly. I'm not trying to draw them in or anything like that. I'm just doing brush-like strokes up of my eyebrows so that they don't look harsh and they don't look blocky, because that will definitely show up in your picture if you're doing it way too harsh. Here I'm going back in with my FENTY pencil, and I'm just filling in where I feel like there's some spaces and it just needs to be a little bit darker. Like I said, I like my brows at the end to look a little bit darker, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I just take concealer. You want like a skin-like concealer, and I just use the very tip of it and I clean up just the bottom of my eyebrows. I find that this makes it look way more natural if I just clean up the bottom and not the top. I feel like when you clean up the top as well, it makes it look very superficial. I don't know, I just don't like that look, so I only clean up the bottom, and that gives me the look that I like a lot. Next, what you want to do is just brush up the hair. Like I said, my eyebrow hairs are very curly, so I have to do a lot for them to stay in place. So what I like to do after I'm almost done with my eyebrows is I like to just brush them up again. I like the spoolie on the FENTY pencil. I feel like it brushes down my eyebrow hairs really well. And then what you want to do after that is you want to take that clear brow gel again, and you want to apply that again to your eyebrows. Again, this is for if your eyebrows are already straight, then you probably can skip this part, but my eyebrows are so curly they're annoying. So I have to do this step after I'm done again so that I can make sure that those brows stay in place. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial. I hope it was really beginner friendly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.